Hi, I'm Dalgona and I want to show you how to make Dalgona. Have you wondered how to make Dalgona? Wouldn't it be cool to be able to make Dalgona on your own? Follow these steps to make Dalgona. You will need sugar, baking soda, chopstick, ladle, plate, pans of various shapes. First, put sugar in the ladle and heat it up. Don't put sugar too much. Next, stir sugar with wooden chopsticks and melt it. And then add a small amount of baking soda to the melted sugar. Then stir melted sugar with chopsticks and turn up the heat when it starts to swell. After, pour it on the plate and press it flat. Don't press it too lightly. Finally, press it with frames of various shapes. Are you ready to make a Dalgona? I hope this writing helped you learn how to make Dalgona. Done.